Automating weekly SEO reports for clients is one of the most efficient ways to save time and keep your clients informed without manually creating reports every week. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to automate your SEO reports like a pro and even give you access to a free trial of my top recommended tool. Stick with me until the end and I'll share a key takeaway that'll change the way you approach reporting. First off, let's talk about the tool that can make this whole process seamless. There are a ton of software options out there, but I've tested most of the popular ones, and today I'm recommending a solution that stands out for both ease of use and detailed reporting. It's called ToolName. It integrates easily with Google Analytics, Google Search Console, and other essential platforms. And yes, I've got an exclusive free trial link for you in the description below if you want to follow along as I demonstrate. Now, let's dive into the setup. Once you sign up and log into the tool, the first step is to connect your client's data sources. You'll want to integrate things like Google Analytics, Google Search Console, and any keyword tracking tools your client is using. These integrations are usually just a matter of connecting your accounts, which only takes a couple of minutes. Next, you'll want to create a custom template for your SEO reports. This is key because you don't want to be manually adjusting every report. You can set up a report template that pulls in the data automatically every week. This can include organic traffic, keyword rankings, backlinks, and other important metrics that your clients care about. The tool makes it really easy to customize which metrics show up in the report, and you can add your branding and logo for a professional touch. After that, it's all about scheduling the reports. Most tools allow you to set up automated email delivery so you can schedule these reports to be sent to your clients every week without lifting a finger. Choose the day and time you want the report to go out, and that's it. You're done. No more chasing deadlines to send manual reports. What's also great is that the tool will automatically pull updated data each time the report is generated, so your clients always get the most recent information. No need to worry about updating data or missing important stats. This makes your job much easier and your reports more reliable. So to quickly recap, first, sign up for the tool and integrate your client's data sources. Then, set up a custom report template that includes all the key metrics you want to track. After that, schedule the report to be sent out automatically every week. And that's it. It's a simple process that saves you tons of time while keeping your clients in the loop. One key takeaway: automating your SEO reports isn't just about saving time. It's about offering your clients consistency and reliability. By automating, you not only make your life easier, but also boost your professionalism by ensuring your clients always get timely and accurate updates. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial link I've provided in the description below. If you want to follow along, go ahead and check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.